Mubaiwa, the ex-wife of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, has undergone a leg amputation surgery due to severe gangrene damage. The procedure was reportedly necessary to save her life as her health continues to decline. Sources close to the family reveal that Mubaiwa's health woes began shortly after her divorce from Chiwenga, alleging that she suffered prolonged torture and mistreatment during their marriage. The exact circumstances surrounding her decline are still unclear, but insiders claim Chiwenga's actions contributed significantly to her deteriorating well-being. Mubaiwa's amputation has sparked widespread concern and outrage, with many pointing fingers at Chiwenga for his alleged role in her suffering. The incident raises questions about the vice president's conduct and the treatment of his former spouse. As Mary Mubaiwa faces this new challenge, the nation watches this bated breath, hoping for her recovery and demanding answers from the powers that be.